At critical sites such as airports, power facilities, and radar installations, the congregation of birds not only affects equipment operation, but also poses safety risks. A remote-controlled laser bird deterrent turntable designed for long-range, automated bird deterrence in critical areas. The equipment supports full airspace coverage at low to medium altitudes, and can perform reciprocating cruise scanning between preset start and end positions. In addition to fixed-point patrolling, it supports path-following scanning, simulating light beam trajectories to more flexibly deter intruders in complex areas. Staff can remotely control the laser switch, power, and emission angle, reducing the need for on-site manual intervention. A laser beam creates a visual deterrent effect, forcing birds to leave the critical protection zone. The pan-tilt unit supports continuous 360-degree horizontal rotation, is suitable for long-term outdoor deployment, and features IP66 rated protection. Upgrade bird damage prevention and control from manual inspections to remote, automated, and continuous management.